Now, when it comes to picking healthy foods, I would say that is one of the biggest challenges most people have. Do you agree? Now, check this out. A couple weeks ago, I was having a conversation with my Fitma Studio clients, and I was trying to find a simple system that I could help them to consistently make healthy food choices. And after brainstorming, I broke it down into 3 easy questions. Now, think of it this way. Before the food enters your stomach, there are a couple steps we got to take. We got to get that food, purchase that food. We got to prepare that food, and then finally, we will eat that food. So let's follow that exact sequence. So the first question you ask yourself is, before you buy that food, can I find this food in nature? Let's bring up 2 pictures here. Beans, bacon. Which of these can I find in nature? Obviously, the beans. Check. That's a yes. Let's move to question number 2. Would this food make me better? So when I prepare this food, the preparation method I use, would it make me better? Again, let's bring up this picture here. The same beans. We're going to take option number 1. We're going to cook it. We're going to crush it up. We're going to add some spices, some salt, some seasoning. Then we're going to make a dough, wrap it, and we're going to deep fry it in what we call a patty, or turn it into what we call a patty. Option number 1. Option number 2, we're going to add it and make a nice bean soup, add some vegetables and stuff to it. Which of these methods would make me better? Obviously, the bean soup. That's check 2. Now let's move to question number 3. Do I need this food now? What do you mean, Coach Jason? I'm taking that same bean soup and I got 2 options. I can eat it up and waking up at the start of the day when I have my whole day ahead of me, or I can eat it just before retiring to bed at night. Which of these options will be best for me? Obviously, eating it at the start of the day when I can use that energy for my day ahead. And if you use this simple 3 questions before eating, it makes nutrition so much easier and it takes all of the fluff out of it. Now, my goal is to continue to create these videos for you. So let me know in the comments below if this made sense. If you want me to uncover or unpack something a little bit deeper, let me know in the comments below. And of course, share it with a friend, somebody you know who's struggling with their nutrition. Look out for more of this free content. Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, or wherever you're watching this right now. And I will see you in our next video.